Hi, I'm Justin Wu. Today, I'm going to talk about the genetical modifier organism. In my project, I will include my introduction, the process, why people want to do it, the disadvantages of these things, and how it connects with our class. Now, I'm going to tell you why I choose this topic. The world is going to be destroyed if we keep polluting it. The way we can save the world is to decrease the garbage and the CO2 in our earth. If we have this kind of tree, we may create a lot of fresh air in a short time, and this may be a good idea to save the world. Also, these trees can produce a lot of wood in less time and produce wood in fewer sources. Now, let me show you a video about faster growing trees.
Did you know that today there are 7 billion people in the world? And this is expected to increase to over 8 billion by 2030, doubling the demand for food, and wood consumption will grow by 60%. Planted forest will play a key role in meeting the increased need for wood, whether it is for pulp production, energy, or other forest-based products. Conventional breeding has enabled better wood quality and yield increase in crops over the years. But in the face of these new global challenges, we need new solutions. This is where biotechnology comes in. Through Futuragene, we invest in plant genetic research and development to develop trees with higher yield and better wood quality, and to protect our crops from pests, diseases, and climate change, as well as contributing to the environment by reducing.
The video shows that the faster growing tree will grow faster than a normal tree, and it can create a better wood in fewer sources. Also, the wood can protect our tree from pests, disease, and climate change. Next, I will tell you how people make these trees. First, we use the method of gene cloning we discussed before to create a lot of copies of the desired gene. Then, we take the DNA from a leaf of the tree. After the copies of genes are created, we put the fast-growing genes into the DNA of the plant. Now, let me show you a diagram of gene cloning. Gene cloning, which is used to assemble recombinant DNA. First, we take a desired gene, which is shown as red, and insert it into the plasmid of a bacteria. Then, put an acid-resistant gene, which is shown as orange, and put the acid-resistant gene with the desired gene. Then, the bacteria with the new plasmid will make lots of copies of itself. Some of the copies will take the new plasmid, but some of it does not. At last, we put all the copies of the bacteria inside a kind of acid. The ones that are not killed have the genes we want, so they will survive. As a result, we can create lots of copies of the desired gene. Now, I'm going to tell you why people want to do it. In this graph, we can see that the amount of CO2 is increasing in past few years, so that we can infer the amount of trees are decreasing. The less tree we have, the less CO2 will be consumed by the trees. Then, more CO2 stay on Earth, and global warming become worse. So if we have these trees, we can decrease the CO2 in less time. Next, I'm going to tell you the disadvantages and the advantages of this genetic engineering. As you can see in this table, there are several advantages and disadvantages of these trees. To have these trees, we can treat recycled paper more easily. Also, we can have more sources to produce paper. Then, we can produce trees in short time so that everyone can get a better wood to use. This kind of trees can protect itself from a biological attack so that it can resist to some of the disease. But there's still some disadvantages of these trees. We're unsure if it has a side effects on the ecosystem, and because of it can grow very fast, it might overgrow and destroy the original tree. The more tree we have means we need more water to give them for survive. But did we have enough water to give them? The answer is no. Also, some businessmen might take the advantage of the tree and cut them off to sell. And if we rely too much on fast-growing trees, the diversity will decrease. And if a special kind of disease attacks the tree, all the trees will die. Thank you for your listening. This is the end of my project. Hope you guys will like it.